Why do adult children sometimes become ungrateful? Not just distracted, not just busy, truly and painfully ungrateful. And before we go any further, let me say this clearly. If you are asking yourself this question, it is already a sign of what kind of parent you are. You are someone who cares deeply, someone who reflects, someone who still wants to understand your children even decades after raising them. Jung told that parents, by living their lives honestly and lovingly, give children an inner strength that continues to guide them. You have done more of that than you probably admit. Let's take our time, breathe, and walk through this topic gently. 1. The shift in roles. The invisible turning point. As children become adults, a quiet but powerful shift happens. What used to be a relationship of constant giving from your side and constant receiving from theirs gradually transforms into something more equal. Yet many adult children fail to notice this transformation. They move through their adult life as if your presence, your generosity, and your emotional availability are simply part of the landscape. Like a familiar road they've walked so long, they no longer look down at their feet. I once received a letter from a woman named Margaret, who told me how her son, now 42, still assumed she would figure things out whenever he was in trouble, financial, emotional, or otherwise. She said, "I raised him to be confident, and somehow he mistook my strength for endless capacity." Jung would call this a projection, where one person unconsciously assigns qualities to another that are not entirely real. They see you as endlessly strong because that is the role their childhood assigned to you, and in their mind, the role never changed. It isn't about you not being appreciated. It's about them not understanding the evolution of your relationship. 2. The speed and pressure of modern adulthood. Another truth, one we cannot ignore, is that younger generations live in a different emotional climate. They are burdened by financial instability, constant digital noise, career anxieties, and emotional exhaustion that sometimes makes even the simplest acts of gratitude feel heavy. This does not excuse their behavior, but it does help us understand it. A man named Joseph once described how his daughter rarely returned his calls, even though she loved him dearly. When she finally explained herself, she said, "Dad, I work 12 hours a day. By the time I get home, I have no words left for anyone, even you." He later told me, "I knew she was tired, but I didn't know she was empty." Jung often emphasized that people act from the subconscious more than from intention. Many adult children are not consciously choosing ingratitude. They are simply overwhelmed, stressed, or emotionally numb. Again, that does not mean your feelings are any less valid. 3. Emotional blindness. The parent as a symbol, not a person. One of the hardest truths is that many adult children do not see their parents as individuals with their own emotional worlds. They still view you through the lens of childhood, invincible, patient, endlessly giving. This emotional blindness often comes from love, ironically. They grew up believing you were their protector. They unconsciously assume you are still unshakable. I remember a widowed mother named Elaine who described how her daughter snapped at her for being dramatic when Elaine said she felt lonely on weekends. Later, her daughter apologized and admitted, "I forget you're a real person sometimes." Jung believed that every parent exists in the child's psyche first as an archetype, the mother, the father. These archetypes are powerful but simplified, and children rarely update them until something forces them to. You do not remain unappreciated because you are unworthy. You remain unappreciated because they have not yet learned to see you as fully human. 4. Unresolved emotions from the past, real or imagined. Some adult children carry their own wounds, some real, some distorted by memory, and some created by comparison with other families or influences. A father once told me his daughter blamed him for being emotionally distant in her teenage years, even though he was working 2 jobs to keep the family afloat. Her pain was real, but her interpretation was incomplete. Jung wrote, "The greatest part of emotional conflict is due not to reality, but to the imagination of reality." Adult children sometimes hold on to simplified stories of the past because that story helps them make sense of their current struggles. It is not that they want to hurt you, they simply cannot yet reframe the narrative in a mature way. And again, this is not about parental failure. It's about the child's emotional development. Stay with me until the end because that's where the real clarity appears. The part that helps you finally understand what's happening and what you can gently do to heal your heart. 5. A culture that doesn't teach gratitude. We live in a society where gratitude is not practiced but assumed, where people rush forward without pausing to look back. Younger generations are trained to chase achievement, fulfillment, independence and comparison. Gratitude requires reflection and presence is rare today. A mother named Linda told me her adult sons never thanked her for helping them through college. She said, "They talk about how hard everything is today, but they forget that I struggled too." Jung believed that each generation carries both the light and shadow of the previous one. Gratitude belongs to the light, but many people today live in their shadow, fear, stress, and constant striving. 6. The strong parent paradox. And now, a difficult but gentle idea. Some ungrateful behavior comes from the fact that you were an exceptionally strong parent. When someone is always capable, always reliable, always holding everything together, people stop noticing how much effort that takes. A woman once told me, "I never asked for help, and now my children assume I never need any." Her voice wasn't bitter, it was simply tired. Jung taught that when a person hides their vulnerabilities, others will fill the empty space with assumptions. Your strength made them feel safe, but it also made your needs invisible. That does not mean you did anything wrong. It means you were powerful. And sometimes powerful people are unintentionally overlooked. So why do adult children become ungrateful? Because the world changed, because roles shifted, because they are overwhelmed, because they still see you through the eyes of childhood, because they project their fears and struggles onto you, because they were never taught how to pause and appreciate what was given to them, And sometimes because your strength made them forget you could be tired. None of these reasons point to failure on your part. If anything, they reveal the depth of what you've given. And I hope as we continue this journey together, you begin to feel not only understood, but also profoundly valued for everything you carried, everything you sacrificed, and everything you still offer simply by caring. If this brought you even a little peace, please subscribe and share it with someone who may need these words today. And if you feel safe to do so, tell us your story in the comments. Your voice helps all of us heal together.